Oh guys, my name is Dev Sharma and today I am just discussing about that what is the strategy for IND to clearing the IND examination within 1 month within a very short tenure like 30 to 35 days. Guys, if I give my introduction, then I clear IND 145, IND 146 and IND 147 examination as well as IND 144. Regularly, I have cleared the 4 consecutive IND written examinations as well as I got conference out in ISSB. So today I am just told you that what is my strategy. देखिए the exam was very new and you know that at the time when the people even I have also my experience then when I started preparation like during the IN 144, then even I know that I had a good preparation, but at the time we when the examinations comes near, then we have some tense about that what type of questions are came. uh, I am able to complete the question, I am able to complete the paper within a time, I am able to complete the English, I am able to, so such type of doubts are common. So it's very common. So we have to work on them. So guys, today I'm just discussing one by one. So basically if I'm talking about math, then mathematics of NT is 120 questions, and those have the total 300 marks out. Each question would be 1 or 2.5 marks. So when we are just preparing for mathematics, like mathematics have some basically if I started from the mathematics, then you know that mathematics is good to scoring high, but how we can find out that many students are joining from the PCB branch to clarify to they want to clear the INE examination, and they were from the PCM branch and they are presently pursuing commerce, PCB. So it's affected that if you are not clear the mathematics examinations, whether your preparation is so much well in your GAT examination, then your GAT paper will not be checked if you are not clear the mathematics examination. So mathematics, guys, I think that mathematics is based on a practice. How much you did practice before the examinations, how well you prepare your concept, practice and the concept and put your sample paper, whether any type of sample paper you took like Aryan sample paper, Disha Publication Center sample paper, any type of sample paper you can do. When you practice like that, if I divided it like if I'm taking an example of conic sections, then in a conic section generally the questions of NDA are regarding us from the last 8 to 10 years. What I was noticed is that they are based on a circle equation, ellipse equation, hyperbola equation, and eccentricity formula, and the general equations. So we have to not go into a very depth. We are not preparing for IIT. We have to prepare for NDA, and NDA ask your general questions, ask your general concept questions. Even sometimes we made a mistake, like we have a very good knowledge, we have a very depth knowledge about the chapter, but our basics, our concepts are somebody weak. So that's why we are just not clear the NDA examination. Like in a calculus, whether it's in differentiation, integration, definite integration, and application of derivative, application of integral, differential equation. So these all will have the repeated questions. If you are prepared well your repeated question, then I think that you have a very good knowledge I'm gaining about it. I always say that if you appear for the ANDE examination, like if you want to appear for ANDE written examination 2021 second, then at least you have to do 30 to 35 sample paper. It means that you have to gain the experience of 20, at least 20 times you had gain experience that what type of term and condition you faced in your examination. At least you have to try about 20 times at your home, like you took the sample paper, you took your book and take them the 120 questions, and time is 2.5 hours. Then you notice that if you prepare like initially you corrected the question 40, then 50, then 60, then at least you would be go to up to 90 and 100. I am clear in 91 48 for mathematics 72 questions, then 78 80 something, and then that's why in 91 47 I am clear 104 questions of ND. So it's a very clear strategy. So guys, in the next video I'm just talking about that how would you prepare for your GAT portions to clarify it. It's a very easy task, not a very typical task if you take